In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can open up multiple Roblox accounts at the exact same time. And yes, this method is very easy. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to want to do is actually close out of Roblox or just minimize it for the time being and open up a web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome for this, and what you're going to want to do is in the search bar type in Process Explorer, spelled exactly like this, hit enter and go to this first little website right here. Once you go to this website, scroll down just a little bit, and this is Microsoft, by the way. But just scroll down till you get to the download section and select download Process Explorer. It's going to download a little zip file right here. Just go ahead and drag this onto your desktop. As you can see, I actually already have it on there. Once you do drag it onto your desktop, just right click on it and then hit extract all and then hit extract. And once again, that's going to extract a page that looks like this for you. Open up that folder and from here, look for the Process Explorer application, just the PROCEXP, and open it up, and it's going to look like this when it does open up. Once you find this, go ahead and right click on it and run it as an administrator, hit yes, and then it's going to load and it'll look something like this for you, where you can go ahead and close out of that file explorer and just keep this off to the side for a minute. Now if you don't have Roblox open up, you're going to want to open up Roblox now, and I'm just going to minimize this so it looks something like this so you can see that both are open at the exact same time. But essentially, go to this view tab up at the very top and go to this show lower pane and make sure it's ticked on. And for this lower pane view, make sure that you have handles on. So tick that on just like so, and then select handles right here. And then find your Roblox player in here. You might have to search for it specifically. That might make it a little bit easier, but essentially search for it, select it, find on handles, and what you're looking for specifically on here is this event tab that says singleton event at the very end of it. Once you see this tab that says singleton event, essentially just go ahead and right click on it and then hit close handle and then hit yes. This essentially makes it so that it cannot force you to only have one Roblox player open at the same time. So you now can open up another Roblox player. And as you can see, I now have two of them opened up. And if you want, you can sign out of, a secondary account by hitting more and then scrolling down and hitting log out. And then from here, use something like quick login or just hitting sign in or even just creating a new account. And then as you can see, I have two accounts signed in right now. And you can now go into any games. These don't have to be the exact same games. And if you ever have an issue where it logs you out, just simply sign back in on this first one. Sometimes it does that. But once you sign back in, you're good to go and get loaded into whatever game you want. For example, you could do the same game. You could do different games. It really is up to you. For example, I'll do Faith Incremental on this one. And I guess please donate on this one. And as you can see, both will end up running at the exact same time. You could just Alt-Tab to switch between them. As you can see on this tab, even though my guys look very similar, this is going to be, one game, and this is going to be the other game, just like so. And if you want, you can even drag these onto separate monitors. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, though. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.